N-Hance Wood Refinishing is the #1 wood refinishing company in the U.S. Our innovative products and process offer our customers much higher quality and durability than traditional refinishing or just painting your cabinets, and more convenience with a lower cost than traditional remodels. N-Hance is offered in nearly 500 markets across the United States and is growing every day. Our franchise owners are busy refinishing the cabinets and floors of over 10,000 customers every year. With a brand reputation consistently scoring over 4.7 stars, you can be assured we are creating beautiful, high-quality, updated kitchens and hardwood floors, along with happy customers all over the country. The N-Hance products are designed specifically to withstand cabinets and floors' daily wear and tear. N-Hance products are made with an acrylic polyurethane blend that is cured using ultraviolet light technology, providing ultimate durability with a beautiful, smooth, rock-hard finish. Our ultraviolet light curing products and process not only seal in a hardened finish, but also speed project completion, minimizing the downtime and family disruption. N-Hance products are low VOC, providing little to no noxious odors and reduce the compounds that enter the atmosphere. Our sanding technology is unique compared to traditional methods in that it can be used on engineered and hand-scraped hardwood floors and results in less dust and odor than the traditional methods, providing a healthier remodel option to families and our planet. When customers choose N-Hance, they're not only saving old cabinets or floors from going to the landfill, they're also choosing to save trees by not installing new wood into their home. In addition to saving trees, N-Hance is a proud partner of American forests and donates 1 new tree planted with every kitchen or floor refinished. That's over 10,000 new trees every year being planted by N-Hance and their customers. Word is getting out about this greener, healthier, more convenient, and lower-cost option to kitchen remodels. To learn more about N-Hance Wood Refinishing, visit nhance.com.